Hi, okay, in this demo I am going to show you how to set up the new Masterpages in version 4 of Umbraco. Okay, so we have an empty installation of Umbraco. We now have Spinning Beach Ball of Death from Mac. Okay, so we're back. Okay, so we have an empty installation of Umbraco. You can see an empty content tree and nothing in the recycle bin. So let's set up a quick document type and we'll set up some master page templates. So if we right click and then click create on document types, this brings up the new modal window. We won't worry about master content types in this scenario. So let's create a document type, let's call it home page, something nice and simple, and then click the create button. This is then doing its stuff. Okay, so yep, the name and alias is all okay, but yep, we'll just give it a nice quick description. This is a simple home page, and in the tabs, let's create a tab so we can add some custom properties, and we just call this one content, so we're just going to have content in our master template example. So if we go back to the generic properties tab on this document type, we can then just have one called content, and we'll give it the alias of body text, and we'll give it the type of a rich text editor if I can find it, which is there, and we're going to add it to the content tab. And then if we just hit save, this will save our document type, which we can see under document types in the settings section of Umbraco. Okay, so we now have a matching template that we specified when we created the document type. But first of all, let's create a home page. So if we just call this home, nice something simple. It's the home page document type, and that's the only document type we have. So if we click create, it's just loading, it's doing its stuff. The rich text editor loads in. Okay, so if we just put in something simple like hello world and then hit the save and publish button, this would have saved the page. If we click on the home.aspx page, at the minute we're not going to see anything, because at the minute our template is blank. We haven't got no HTML in it, and in the HTML template we're not requesting the field for the body text that we set up in our document type. So if we go back to the settings section in Umbraco and go back to our template, we'll quickly put some HTML in. It's not going to be anything pretty, so let's type HTML, so it's and the closing HTML tag, and we'll put the body tag, and in the body tag we will put our field of that alias of the body text from our document type. So if we hit the insert Umbraco page field icon here, and we can choose the field what we want to insert. The various other fields are to do with the Umbraco XML structure, but what we're interested in is the body text which we set up. If we're not really interested in all of this, we just want to insert it into our template, as I'm showing you about templates. So if we insert it, the markup has changed from version 3 to version 4, as you can tell. It's kind of got its own tag as such, the Umbraco tag, with a semicolon for item, and then the alias of the field on the document type, which is body text, and then the run at server general ASP.NET thing that you have in Masterpages. So if we now save this template saved, as you can see. And if we go now back to our home page and refresh it, we should see our text that we updated, which is of Hello World. So we view the source. You can see our lovely and very basic HTML